The dig race?
Dig race. We're doing some digs, man. Y'all see where we at, man. Y'all probably know this spot before, cause look, a while ago, man, when he brought the Camaro out here, all that online shit, you know, Camaro, fashion, Scatpack, blah, 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 blah. We came out here, my gray Scatpack, that red Camaro, and I walked him. I walked him like 2 or 3 times on this very street right here. You see what I'm saying? This my boy, man. He came out here. He brought the Mustang. You know, it's just some friendly roads, no big deal, no real competition. Honestly, this Mustang may do away with the Scatpack on this dig. I'm not for sure, but just about to get a couple of dig races in, probably a couple of roads too. If you've been following the channel, you know it's basically bone stock. All I have is an intake and an oil catch can, but that don't count because it's not performance-wise. Performance-wise, I only have the intake and straight piping. That's not performance-wise, so that's just sound. But I'm just letting you know. He got this 2019 10-speed automatic Mustang, no performance mods. He just got a X pipe on there. That's it. So both cars are basically stock. Besides, I got an intake on here, and you know, he's just about to get a couple of runs in. I don't even know. I'm not gonna sit here and say I'm about to win the race. He's not saying he's about to win the race. We don't know. It's all about the driver pretty much. We coming off a dig. You know, the low end torque on these like Mustangs is pretty low, honestly. So I'm pretty sure if I don't spin too much, I'm gonna get him off the line for sure. And he could probably catch me at the end. The street is not too long, so I'm not for sure. You know, last time, you know, I pulled away and that's pretty much it. He didn't have time to catch up because the street is not that long. So like I said, it's just a couple of digs, no big deal, man. Just about to get some roads in. A lot of people was asking for the race last time, and now that he came out here and he brought this car, because if you watch my previous videos, he really came out here to pick up the headers. We said, why not bring some more content? Because every time we do videos, a lot of people like to watch it. So what you think, man?
Honestly, man, I took the Mustang to the track. It really didn't perform how I thought it was.
Yeah.
So I think it'll beat me on the dig races. I think it might perform a little bit better than the Camaro. But I think on the road races, I think the 10-speed is going to win.
So the road races he basically saying road races where his Mustang basically pretty much shine. Yeah. Because dig, we coming from zero. Yeah, the low end torque on this car is real low. It's like if we just did like exhaust comparison, and you got to really step on it to hear that exhaust, that power come out, because it's really top end. Yep. This one is from the go. You know, it's a heavy car. That's the only thing. This car, let me tell you something. If Dodge didn't make these Scats heavy, man, this honestly would be way better than Camaro and the Mustang.
Heavy, just add more power.
Well, yeah, but this
just add like 500 horsepower. If they were to add this car to like 500 horsepower, that would probably be like what, 480
to the wheel, yeah.
Like 480 to the wheel. That's like, let's just say 515. If they were to make these cars 515, then we'll kill the Mustang and the Camaro, honestly. Yeah. Because the torque on this car is crazy.
It's fucking crazy. So
yeah, man.
You're just about to get these couple runs in real quick. You see it's gloomy right now. There's nobody outside. Coronavirus is still very much in effect. You know, it's pretty much ghost town out here. So it's an empty street, safe street, no cars coming. Wait, about 2 or 3 digs. 2 or 3 digs. I mean, yeah. It doesn't matter, just one up and one down. Yeah. I mean, yeah, exactly. I don't even know how long. This is definitely not a quarter mile, but yeah.
If you put like this, if it's a neck and neck race, you know the cars are pretty close.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you're gonna be ahead of me, and if we were to go like on a long street, I think the Mustang will catch up. But I'm pretty sure you're gonna beat me on like a 1/8 race or something like that, pretty much.
All right, man. So here it is. Definitely make sure you're following all my social media, his social media, Fast Life Rush. If you're not already, follow the car Instagram too. Put that down below. Make sure you follow his Instagram as well. Go ahead and get into these dig races real quick. Go ahead and start the car up. Yeah, man. This guy, damn, my shit wasn't even in track mode. Alright, man, about to get these rows in real quick. We gonna go down there and come back this way.
Go down and come back?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
All right. How you want to do it?
Either hunk it off or...
That nigga said hunk it off. You want, I'm a honk, and then on that one you honk.
That's fine with me.
Alright. Alright, so I ain't gonna even launch control. I'm just going shit two-step. Damn, man, what was that? Hey, let's go back this way. I spent too much right there, man. Yeah?
Yeah, I swear.
All right, you ready? All right. Look, we're gonna do another one because that one I let off light because I wasn't trying to spin too much. Okay, so yeah, I think I got it this one. All right, so we just got done with the dig races. Now it was kind of like, you know, he got some, I got some, but it was a couple of errors on his end, my end, but the races that we both performed well, I pretty much got them. Like I said, this car low end torque is like it's real high, and if you launch this car correctly, because the times he basically got me, I basically spin, like I was spinning. His car not gonna spin really because the car is not it's not really there. So the times that he got me is honestly I was fucking spinning for the first, you know, S amount of times. I haven't really raced this car since I got it. In my last one, I didn't race it too much. So I'm still getting familiar with the car. Definitely plan on upgrading the tires. So I had to definitely launch at higher RPM because I had to kind of launch it at a low one so I didn't spin too much. But I mean, at the end of the day, this car basically on the dig race, I got them, you know. I'm gonna go back and edit these videos and see exactly how many, you know, I won. We did probably like six digs. I'm not for sure. Y'all seen it, man. Y'all see the content. It was a big debate with the Challenger Scatpack and the Camaro SS, but now we definitely had to come back and do it with the Mustang and Challenger, because you don't know, in Camaro, Challenger, and Mustang, those are three main cars, and a lot of people, you know, debate here and there, and a lot of people want to see these races and see the comparisons. And on the dig race, pretty much stock to stock, low end, this car is going to get them every time. If you don't spin, this car is just going to get them every time. Tell you what, road race, automatic 10-speed, it's a whole different story. But the dig race, it's just got way too much power in the beginning. So
definitely some good run. I'm happy with the outcome. I mean,
yeah, man.
I think I need to learn the car more. So
exactly.
I can get some more runs.
Definitely, I got familiar with the car more. If you was watching the video, you see I didn't use paddle shifters. Was you using paddle shifters?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, so I let
like, don't use paddle shifters.
They was like let the car work for itself.
Exactly.
Hey, cause a lot of y'all in the comments on his channel with the Camaro, they was like, because he lost fair, but people were saying you should let the car switch itself.
Yeah, exactly.
But that's not what it was. He know how to drive the car.
Yeah,
it's just like the low. It's just factual.
Yep.
So there you go. Not gonna say too much, and that's pretty much it. Dig races. Definitely stay tuned for more content we got. Comment, like, subscribe. Definitely check out my boy channel, Fast Life Rush. If you're looking for any Camaro SS content, Mustang GT50 content, you already know what I got, man. All installs, all type of wavy shit. Definitely check my channel out, and we out.
Was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price, and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, like pocket 96, 11 past 11.